He's gonna climb to the top. Uh-oh, a boulder's here. Ah, ah. Whoa, look at that. Gooey is super slimy. Ow! Ow! Ah. Let's knock on that door. Knock, knock, knock. Hey, do you mind? Ew! Break that. Oh, the treasure. Is that the treasure? Woo! We found the treasure!
Welcome back, Rangers at home. Come help Ranger Tack check out this Tresure Adventure Toy. We'll open it up, and it's full of exciting things like sticky slime, toys like snakes, and these little pieces. And these pieces we'll use to sneak past all these tricky traps that are all throughout this toy. And our adventurer will have to find his way through. Then we'll reach the treasure at the very top. Stay with us to see what Ranger Tack will find. Adventure Rangers! Let's go! Hey, hey, what do you say? Kidventure Rangers, it's time to play. We got our friends and some puzzles to solve today. Kidventure Rangers, it's a beautiful day. Kidventure Rangers, we're on our way. Roll call.
I'm Ranger Gigi.
Ranger Gigi.
I'm Ranger Tack.
Ranger Tally.
I'm Ranger Tack.
Ranger Tack. I'm Ranger Daddy. Ranger Daddy. Let's go.
Hey Rangers, let's play with this statue trap. It was a trap, but it's also a toy. This makes it locked. So let's open this up. Whoa, look at that.
Wow.
It looks so cool. He can go upstairs. Whoa! Whoa, whoa, whoa. What's here? What is this? What is this right here? This is cool.
Yeah!
What is that? Okay, here's a boulder. What's that? Let's get this out. How do we get this out? There it goes. Whoa, that's cool. There's a trap there. Those are not fun. Okay, let's see what we have here. So we don't want to see the bathroom. We don't want to see the bathroom. So let's put this door on to help. This door on. Put this. How do you put this door on? Okay, I got the door. So let's put the bat in. So he's supposed to go in there. That's a bat cave. Okay, close that door. And I feel like, oh, a boulder. Ah! A boulder. That's cool. This is a really cool boulder. This is a really cool boulder, but it has tape on it. I don't know why. Let's just leave it like how it has tape. That boulder goes up here. There. Okay, now it's loading. Now what's in here? What's in here that we got? Oh, look, there's a trap door. See that trap door? Spin that. Cool. Spin that trap door. It looks like there's an opening here. So I got something to show you on this side. Twist that around, there's something there. No, open that. I think this is something that we can use. So flip that back. Maybe we can use it as a trapdoor thingy. Let's spin this around. Bye bye. Oh, it won't move. We gotta put it back. Got it. Okay, what's this pirate guy? It feels like he can move. Oh, I know what it is. You can get him out from that string. Okay, we got this little pirate guy. I don't think he gets this, but I know for one thing that maybe there's a trap door. Wait, what's that? Guys, look at this. There's spikes. Maybe it has something to do with that. So guys, this guy, see that? I think let's let him go up there. And And see this? Let's get this off, get the string off so it doesn't cause problems. Put that on the floor. Do that and then twist that boulder. I think then it can't go through. But when you twist it back there, then you do that and it can get through that way. What the boulder, we have to put it back up there because it's gonna be, maybe we can find out what that is there. Guys, look at that in there. That is so cool. We gotta get that out, right? Get that out. Okay, guys, maybe this is the key to help us. So get that down. Try to get that. Whoa, I got it. Whoa, it helps us. Let's get the other side because, yeah, I think I can still get it out, but we still need to get this one out so it's okay. Get that out. Whoa, look at that, guys. I think what's inside this. Okay, guys, now that we got this out, there's snakes and there's slime in here, so I don't want to get it on this. So let's put it in this. Maybe whoa, look at that. Whoa, look at that. That's actually real, I think. Whoa, look at that, guys. Hey, there's a piece. I think there's a piece in here. There's snakes. Let's keep getting this out, guys. How? Whoa. There's something in there. Whoa. That's what we need. I think that gets us out. Whoa, so gooey. There's so many slimes. Look at that, so sticky. Okay, we'll set that over there and wipe my hands because this is gonna cause trouble. Okay, so what's in this gooey slime? We gotta find out more about this. What's in here? Oh, look, there's actually spikes. The spikes move. The spikes move out of the way. And there's, so when you stand here, that's a trap door. So you do that, spikes get him. And what's up top here? What is that crossing? Maybe you gotta get this out. What is this? What's in this? I wonder what's in here, guys. Whoa! Whoa! What is that? That is so cool. A monkey guy. Wait, I think something's inside it. Guys, I think something's inside it. Let's open this up. Okay, so we're gonna crush this sand guy. Oh, that's my wrong crusher. Oh, it's already crushed. Look at this. Look at that blue thing. So, I don't know how to get that out. We gotta use this tool to help us get this out. Whoa, it punched it. Look at that. Get this out. Here. So there it is. Guys, I think something else is in here. Whoa, guys, wait, look. Look at this. Get this off. Okay, get this. There's a snaky guy. There's a snake guy. So I think we're supposed to collect these guys. So he's a slime guy. He's a slime snake. Set him there. Slime. Boo! Everywhere. How do we get this one? Wipe this off. Get all the slime off. Ooey gooey. This slime snake, king of all snakes. So let's put him there. Wipe my hands off. Clean this guy while he's being cleaned and I'm being cleaned. We are gonna find out what this is. Remember this trap door? Yeah, and that you take that off. And there's, remember this slime thing? This slime guy? I think that one's different. So we gotta we'll get back to that in a second. Is this guy done cleaning? I need to get cleaned again. Oh, that's the slime guy. This gooey is super slimy. Cleaning my hands, now it's done. Still a little bit gooey, so there's this one and that one. So I want to put this back. Let's put this guy back. And where's my guy? Where's my staff guy? So he's gonna climb to the top. Uh-oh, a boulder's here.
Uh-oh.
He got away. Let's go up the stairs again. Okay, so let's go up here. Oh. Ow! Ow! Ah! So let's set those back up. He made it through that. Let's knock on that door. Knock, knock, knock. Hey, do you mind? Ew! Now, go up to the top. He goes up to the top. Where is... He has this to go on there. Let's use the staff. Where's the staff? Use the staff. Break that. Oh, the treasure. Is that the treasure? Whoa, we found the treasure. Look at that. There's a treasure. Cool. I want to put him back in. Let me put him back in. It looks like he slides in. That was a really cool adventure. All right, guys, thanks for coming. This was a pretty cool toy. My favorite part was when he got to the monkey and he broke the thing and he got this cool jewel. What was your favorite part?
Nice.
Yeah, I like that one too. That's so cool. Yay! Woohoo! Thanks for watching. See you back later. Bye! Thanks for watching. See you back.